Hi, this is Gail with BERNINA of Naperville, and I just wanted to take a moment to thank everybody because guess what? We have now surpassed 10,000 YouTube subscribers, and we seriously couldn't have done it without you. So to thank you, guess what time it is? You got it. It's time for another fabric sale online in support of you. So there's a code we're going to use. Get your pen and paper handy. YouTube 25. That's right. So any 1 yard cut and more, you'll get 25% off your fabric purchase. So you can do that online at checkout, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. If you mention this video, you can also come into the store and receive the discount, but you have to tell us that you saw this video. And then, so before I show you how to use that checkout coupon code, let's go look at some of our new fabric that we just received. For the apparel fabric, we got some new cotton lawn. So this is from Kaufman, and this is London Calling 10. And it really does work up nicely for some of the new patterns that we have coming. It works pretty well in your quilts. It is very Liberty of London inspired without that hefty price tag, let me be honest. We also have some heavier knits as we get ready for winter and fall. And don't forget, with this Point de Roma, if you're here in the Naperville area, we also have the class coming up to make the Nord tee or sweatshirt. And then, of course, we have some other microfibers, stretch suiting. And, of course, these all qualify for our 25% off. If rayon is more your cup of tea, we have a lot of rayon, even some chiffons, seersuckers, more lawn, and then knits. And we just got some new knits and some new rayons in yesterday from Art Gallery. And then how about this Upward and Onward collection from Art Gallery? Also, we got Bookish, and they're all so cute. Look, we haven't even unwrapped this yet. I'm going to make a reading pillow with this. I think that'll be a lot of fun. And we have a little landscapey type quilt that we're going to do with the Upward and Onward collection, so that you'll want to look for that coming soon. And who could resist our dear Stella dinosaurs and the pineapples and the little sewing collection? We've also been replenishing some of our Tula fabric, so make sure you check that out because we still have a lot of Tula pink, even the new flannel collection, the Holiday Homies, and we embroidered all of the embroidery designs out, and so this week we're going to be working on making that into a quilt. And then we still have, now this is our second go around on the Curiouser and Curiouser collection. So, hey, you know what? We're fully stocked right now. So you'll definitely want to place your order for 25% off your Curiouser and Curiouser collection. If buying yardage isn't your thing and you just want to pick up a project to go, we've added a lot of new kits. So down here, we have the big version, the large version of the Quilt Dogs and Sweaters. Those are the Dachshunds, and we've paired them with some really cute plaids. And then we also have, from Elizabeth Hartman, the Greenhouse Quilt, and this is the large version of the kit, kitted up in her actual fabric. So don't forget to check that out. And we have that with two different backgrounds. We have beach sand and aqua. And then we have a few sprout quilt kits available. That's from Benartex, and you can see here Amy already pieced and quilted that. And then we also kitted some line work fat quarters and patterns, which is this diamonds on display, to actually make the quilt that we made using the Tula Pink line work. We're still working on quilting this one, but this is a super cute Snow Pals quilt. So this is penguins and polar bears. There's a panel in there, and then there's also all of the fabric to do the design around it. So keep an eye out for that one because I'm probably going to be posting that on social media. So that's Instagram.com/BERNINA of Naperville or Facebook.com/BERNINA of Naperville. Okay. And don't forget about the bling, because this, I'm doing a lot of stuff with our new Crystal Edition, BERNINA 880 and 790 Plus. And then if you're a fan of quick projects that are totally awesome and go together quickly, we have a selection of the BQ patterns. And these work really well with large print fabric or just something that you want to put together pretty quickly. It works great with Tula, with Anna Maria Horner, you know, and even some of your solids or our mid-mod prints. We have True Kisses. We are doing something with triangles on a roll. We have some more art gallery fabric, and then I love these favorites of ours from Ruby Star Society. So this is the Whatnot collection and the Florida collection. We are chucked full with holiday fabric. And don't forget, this is also going to be 25% off. So anything, there are no exclusions for this sale of yardage off the bolt. Even our standards like grunge and palette and our art gallery solids. And then we have more flannel and homespun. And there's that Tula Pink collection, the Holiday Homies. So soft, really is nice. I think this would be such a warm quilt. Hey, do we have any British expatriates out there? This collection is pretty cool. And I'm actually making a luggage set out of this. So next time we do a walkthrough, hopefully I'll be able to show that to you. And I also love these little airmail postcards. Also, I can't think of a better time than the fall and back to school and everything to give a little bit of thanks to our first responders and all of the hard work that they've done during the past 2 years. And then this also coordinates pretty well with our Libs Elliott collection. We still have some select pieces for that. And then Soulshine. I'm working on a quilt out of this stuff, and Linda's also working out of a quilt out of the Spirit of the Garden fabric. You're going to really enjoy that. We're going to do it as a sew-along, but it takes a little while to make this. I'll show you. I have mine on the frame, on the quilt frame. The Leaf collection will add a gorgeous quilt to any modern decor. And also, if your sentiments lean a little bit more on the masculine side, this works out really well. And then we have some Japanese-inspired fabric. And look at this. So look at this beautiful quilt that Robin made. This is using the Sashiko Inspirations card from OESD and just these 5 bolts of fabric and some of our artisan solids from Wyndham. And some more cute fabric. This is escargot for it with little snails. I love the rainbow snail trail. And some selections from Alexander Henry, including some ghastly fabric. And let's not forget about our Halloween fabric. 'Tis the season for the creepiness. And we just got this. This is really cute. These little cat witches there. We love those. This one has also been really popular, so you might want to grab that. That one is our Moon, Moth, and Green. We have a customer that's making a dress with spider web lace. It's really cute. And then also Amy just put this on the back of one of her quilts, and this is really cute. This is also from Alexander Henry, and this is called Eye of the Moon. And you know, this forest fable isn't necessarily Halloween, but it really has the look and feel. In fact, if I were doing some kind of Harry Potter quilt, I might be grabbing those owls for that. And we think it looks super cute with this art gallery fabric, the little lightning bugs. And then going right on over to the rest of our Dwell in Possibilities collection from Gingerbur. And then don't forget our dinosaurs with the Christmas theme. I've got a dress coming. I swear all I need to do is put the exposed zipper in it. But look, look, look. More Christmas stuff. Look at those pugs. Who wouldn't want these? I mean, come on. You want to get at least like 10 yards of this to put it all over your house for the holidays, right? And this is from Dear Stella. If you love that retro 60s or 50s kitchen vibe, don't forget about our Kaufman collection with the little cherries. This one is super cute. And I have a long list of things that I want to make out of this, including some new kitchen curtains. Well, what do you think? Are you ready to do some cyber shopping with us? I hope you are, and I really hope that you find some of our new fabric really fun to work with. We also love to see it when you post pictures of your projects on our Facebook and tag us in our Instagram channel. That's always fun. Let's have a look for those of you that have never really ordered from us online before or haven't used a coupon code. Okay, so you've made it to the Bernina of Naperville website and you're like, hey, I want to take advantage of this YouTube sale. Well, here's what you do. So you can either go to our products and scroll down to fabric. And there, once you're in our fabric page, you can see little shortcuts to some of our designers or our brands that we carry. Then as you scroll further down, you can see that we list this by newest entered to oldest entered. So there are some new things from Lewis and Irene, some of our favorites from Camelot Fabrics, like the new Seinfeld and Gilmore Girls fabric. And then also there's Amanda Murphy Frolic. And there's just pages and pages and pages of that. And then we also have the Hush Hush collection from Riley Blake. And then you can just dig deeper through our selections. Now, if there's something that you're looking specifically for, you can actually select the designer here to the left or the collection, or even easier, you can go up to the top of the page, hit the little magnifying glass, and then actually search something that you might be looking for, like, let's say Wild and Free. That was a cute collection that we had. And then it pulls up. And then you can pick your material that you want, and then you can add it to the cart. Now, here's the deal. We can add multiple amounts, but online we only sell in 1 yard increments. So then you add that to your cart, and then we can make a whole lot of other selections. Okay, once you've made all of the selections and you're ready to check out, you just click the checkout button. And if you've shopped with us before, you may actually be directed to the Shop Pay site. And if that's the case, then all we need to do is add a discount code, YOUTUBE25, and apply. And there you'll see that discount is taken out and you can just go ahead and pay. So if you've not shopped with us before, you can just simply go ahead and check out and fill out your information and all of that good stuff. And then you need to give us your email or your mobile phone number. Let's go ahead and do email. And then if you want to ship it or pick it up, and then we want your name and your shipping address. And then over up here on this part of the screen, you're going to write the YouTube 25 to get your discount, then apply. And then that takes your discount off, and then you can go ahead and pay. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Hope to see you soon for one of our tutorials or here in the store. And don't forget, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us. You can call the shop, 331-472-4231, or you can send us a note at orders@berninaofnaperville.com. Hey, you know another great way to see what we're up to? Check out our Bernina of Naperville YouTube channel. It's easy. You're here, but if you're not here, you can check us out. It's youtube.com/Bernina of Naperville, and there you can like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and here is to get into 15,000, because that's the next time we'll do another sale. Bye-bye.